Hey, so I have no idea what time it is because I've been awake staring away for some time. Oh wait, did I just wake up? Damn, I got no idea what's been happening. It wasn't all that bad a dream, I would say. Oh wait, so stupid. I can't dream about exactly where I am. Like that's like just a little deja vu. Maybe because I saw The Matrix last night. They say your day depends on which side of the bed you wake up from, but I woke up on the right side. I mean, I feel it was the right side. Of course, it was the right side. I've been doing some of this stuff so often that I feel it's just happening on its own now. I feel I'm not even doing it. It's just flowing like those dancers on stage who just know their choreography so well. But wait, shaving isn't something I do regularly, but neither are random moments looking at myself in the mirror. So what am I shaving? Why am I shaving? Wait, whatever, man. I have to shave because, you never know, so it's better to shave. And sometimes I'm singing that song, you gotta keep your eyes closed when that water is just hitting your face. Everyone does, but hey, I'm into Coldplay and stuff, but the heat actually isn't working, so another cold shower. But forget it, because I like that dress to impress business, and you must wear your age and stuff. And somehow people guess my age right regardless of what I wear, but it's also said that be ready for any opportunity, so I kinda know what I'm wearing every day. It's kinda comfortable, and I feel ready for what's coming next. Now, this is bizarre, but I always get everything ready for my coffee, but seriously, I got no idea when I placed my favorite mug out here. I don't even remember if I washed it. Well, if it's placed at the perfect spot, it's definitely washed, and you won't get corona from coffee, come on. But honestly, the coffee tastes amazing in the morning. It does taste exactly like yesterday, but still amazing. It's kind of also my time to enjoy myself, and I really love the view, man. It's #view now. Well, I got this WhatsApp forward that since I'm free, I must be productive, so I'm thinking about reading. Of course, I'm an avid reader, but it's funny, these self-help kind of books really put you in a spot. You're constantly imagining yourself in the situation they're talking about. I sometimes even do roleplay about it, and these books are really something, man. Like, you kind of have an idea what's coming next, but you just want to make sure that the book and you are really equally smart. Trust me, for me, it always turns out true. Like, I feel so woke when I read them. They're long and thick, and with those ridiculously small font size, it does get blurry sometimes, but you're in the rhythm of all of that, so you completely forget to eat, and that's a good thing, because this intermittent fasting stuff really works. So I have gotten rid of all the junk that I have, and I got my own homemade chocolate cake ready. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna have it. Due to this lockdown thing, surprisingly, what I miss the most is waiting. Like now I have so much time that I don't have to wait, but sometimes I'm really randomly waiting, God knows for what, probably practicing. But funny, just today I acted like I was getting late for something. So I wore my easy slip-on running shoes and ran downstairs. And even more funny was this Inception thing kinda happened and spooked me out. I think watching these sci-fi movies must be meddling with my head, but I swear it felt so real that I just went back home. But I said, wait, really? So I tried it again and went downstairs, and I was just shocked. I was just imagining this stuff and reached upstairs. Like, seriously, is this even possible? I thought probably all floors look the same, but they can't possibly have the same shoes like me. But anyways, I tried it again and again and again, and it was the same result. I just wanted to be absolutely sure, so I did the most obvious thing, peekaboo, and whoa, the same results. I peeked down, but I'm booing up, and then bam! I suddenly realized I was upstairs at my terrace doing meditation. I read on Facebook this cool guru says meditation makes you stronger. It's funny though, I was getting tired and constantly felt like I'm losing balance and falling. Weird that being tired kind of makes you want to be more tired. But what I don't get is that how being still can also get you so sweaty. So I washed up and of course changed into another t-shirt, and then it was the most awaited time of the day where I decide what to eat. Not like I have a lot of options. Honestly, I just keep selecting between two options really. But somehow whatever I choose nowadays tastes kind of similar. It must be a refrigerator thing or something. After a late lunch, I feel I should do something to digest my food. So sometimes I move around a bit or just sit down and relax a bit. You don't want everything to get out, so I control my urge sometimes to do freaky things. But I guess the best way to release all that gas is to move a bit. But honestly, then I sit and patiently wait for the sunset. And every time I wait for that sunset, I feel I'm kind of moving vaguely. So like there is no coordination between my body, like zero coordination. But I swear I'm sitting still. But then just as sunset is about to begin, I feel I haven't been alone. I'm with this